So this is a true or false question, and it is asking whether double hashing has less clustering than linear probing. And from what we know about double hashing, it includes two hash functions. So the first hash, hash 1 is x modulo table size. The second one is, it could be anything like prime minus x modulo prime, right? It can kind of be a variety of things. Whereas for linear probing, it is hash of x plus I, all that, modulo table size, right? And if you really think about it, when using linear probing, you have to continuously search for that empty index, empty space to insert something, right? Because you're only incrementing by 1. So let's say you're trying to put something into 4, and then that's full. And then you have to go to 5, that's full. 6, that's full. So that can often lead to a lot of clustering, and it takes a long time. And so that's why this statement is true, because double hashing has those two hash functions that will often lead to less clustering.